Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, thanks for joining me. I'm so happy to have you here. My name's Melanie, and I am going to be talking through a couple of new things to me. I ordered from Sephora during the Memorial Day sale and just recently received some new things into them, so I'm excited to share those with you and, you know, just take a moment away from everything that's going on outside in the world. I definitely think it's a time for us to all learn and improve and get better at loving one another and really supporting our friends no matter the situation. I definitely think that attention needs to be paid to what's going on, and that we all need to recognize that we need to support one another and love one another no matter the condition, and just respect people for who they are and their hearts and their minds, and embrace one another. So I'm really hoping that we can all do that and move forward together. And just wanted to go ahead and speak my mind on that and everything that's going on currently. So aside from that, I am hoping to kind of distract myself and dig into some new things. So if you're interested in a couple of new items from Sephora that you'd like to check out with me, then please stay tuned and enjoy what you're about to see. First things first, so I got the Sol de Janeiro Glow Motions Goldilocks Glow Oil. So this is an illuminator. It's kind of a highlighter that you put on, you know, maybe your collarbones or your shoulders or that kind of a thing. I certainly have not gotten a tan because I feel like it has been raining here in Florida for many days, and when I'm at work it's sunny and beautiful, and when I'm at home on the weekends it's kind of gloomy and overcast. So my tan has gone backwards from many of the prior videos I have filmed, but this is what it looks like out of the packaging here, and I just think that the packaging is super cute. Let's see. Oh. Super fun to open there. So it's got a pump. It smells like coconutty, and it just smells like food. So it's definitely got that shine and just a little bit of shimmer. So I'm excited to use this kind of at the beach and when it's sunny outside, just kind of as like a body oil. So I will report back and let you know how that goes. Right now it's overcast, so won't be checking it out today. In my VIB Sephora haul, which was the first video I ever did on YouTube here, I'll link it up above, I had gotten some really great items, one of which is the Ole Henriksen Dark Spot Toner, which I will be reordering a full size of because I'm completely obsessed with it. However, I also received like an Origins tiny little sample size, like 3-pack overnight type thing that I didn't really discuss in the video, but I loved it so much, and I loved, oh, hi kitten, hi baby. Phoebe says hi, you guys. But I loved the 3-pack so much, as well as some of the products in it, that I did order a full size of one of the items. It is the Origins High Potency Night Minis Oil-Free Resurfacing Cream with Fruit Derivative AHAs. And this is the box that it comes in here. But it is an oil-free resurfacing cream. And I feel like it really has smoothed out my face. And I use this in conjunction with the Glow Recipe Watermelon Overnight Mask. And I just feel like my skin is hydrated, it's plumper, it is feeling even and just nice. It makes my face feel really great. When I don't use it, I do notice a difference. So I ordered the full size of it. So it comes in this little jar here and just looks like this. Smells nice. I feel like all the Origin products are very good for the skin. I tried the face wash, the gel moisturizer as well, and I've been impressed so far. This I'm super excited about. I got the IGK Low Key Cleansing Walnut Scalp Scrub. It is a gel, looks like this, and it is vegan and cruelty free, gluten free, basically everything free. This nutrient dense, sulfate free cooling scrub soothes and purifies your scalp, conditions hair after you've overindulged in styling, heat, and color. Apple cider vinegar clarifies the scalp, while walnut oil helps hydrate and nourish, leaving hair looking shinier and softer for the scalp, feeling soothed and rebalanced. And I actually smelled this already because it smells so good. I'm going to do it again. It's like a minty walnut smell, and actually my husband recently shaved his head, and so I'm excited to use this on him, but I'm really excited to use it on myself. And just, let's see if it says, it doesn't say how often to use it. It just says to use it and massage it into wet hair, and I'm excited to try it out and just see how my scalp feels afterwards. So I want to talk about two products I ordered. Like I said, this was the Memorial Day sale, so I ordered these quite a while ago. My husband, Ben, and I had actually been visiting family, and we were able to bike ride and go to the beach and really get some tans. And so, you know, I started thinking I probably need some foundation in a darker shade. So I picked this shade up here, and it's in 210 Neutral, and it's a luminous foundation. And then I picked up the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea foundation here, in shade 22N Light Neutral. So I did swatch these earlier, and I'm afraid they're too dark for me right now. I have lost a bit of the tan that I had acquired a couple weeks ago, and I feel like it fades so quickly. And it's just been raining so much, like I mentioned, but they are pretty dark for me right now. The Anastasia Beverly Hills one is doable if I mix a little bit of my lighter shades in with it. But I'm definitely gonna need a tan to wear these, especially the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea one. Here's the packaging for the Rainforest of the Sea, and here is the packaging for the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation. So this here is the Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this one is the Rainforest of the Sea. You can see this one's a little bit more of an orangey yellow situation. This one's just a rosier undertone. So honestly, both of them are too dark for me right now. The Anastasia Beverly Hills comes with a pump, and the Rainforest of the Sea comes with like a teardropper situation. So I don't know that it's something I'm going to trade shades on. I just think I might kind of work with it and see if I can get a tan down here in Florida, which I'm sure I can, or, you know, which one's going to work in a couple of weeks for me. But as far as the consistency feels, I am super excited about both of them. I think the Rainforest of the Sea feels super light and hydrating, and I think that the Anastasia Beverly Hills looks a little more for full coverage. So if I can get the shade right, I definitely think it will be a winner. So I'm excited about both of them. I just kind of have to play with them a little bit. Next, I have a product I haven't tried, but I have tried. So this is the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. This is the waterproof version of that. So I have tried the non-waterproof version, but the waterproof version was actually on sale for $12, which I believe the regular is like $24, $26. So I felt like it was a really good deal, and I absolutely love the regular Kush Mascara. So the regular Kush Mascara comes in a silver bottle. This one is blue. It is beautiful packaging. I absolutely love it. And it is heavy. Like, this is a heavy bottle. You feel like you're getting a lot of product for your buck. There's 9.5 milliliters, 0.32 fluid ounces in here, and it's just a wonderful fluffy brush. I'm not gonna open it just yet because I want to actually like open it and use it all the time. But it is a fluffier brush. It really made my lashes fluffy. Like, honestly, it's just, how many times can I say fluffy? Super fluffy. So I'm excited to see if the waterproof holds better and how difficult it is to get off. So that's why I snatched this one. Last thing I picked up was there were several palettes on sale, like full good palettes, several Tarte brand palettes, a couple Too Faced, some Urban Decay, and I added some to my cart and then I take them out. Who else does that? If you guys do that, please comment down below. Do you add it in, delete it? Because that's one of my guilty pleasures, is putting it in my cart, taking it out, kind of weeding down what I really want and what I think I want. But I went back and forth on different palettes I really wanted. I ended up picking this one. It is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea High Tides and Good Vibes eyeshadow palette. So you guys all know that I'm a huge fan of the turtles here. So I'm really into saving the turtles. My mom volunteers with a turtle volunteer group to help, like, when they hatch their eggs and everything, get to the ocean. And I just, you know, I never use plastic straws. I'm a big, you know, reusable kind of person, do what I can to help them out. So when I saw the little turtles and in that situation for this palette, I couldn't help myself. But this palette is gorgeous. Like, the packaging is unreal. So here is the little, like, liquid water situation. My good buddy here, the turtle. So you move it and the water just kind of flows. But it's also a very heavy palette. Like, it's a little thicker. I can tell it's gonna have a good size mirror in it. So it's got this see the change little plastic covering here, so I'll take that off. But these metallics, y'all, like, I haven't even swatched them yet and they just look unreal. Like, I feel like the nude story up here is going to be great for transition colors. You've got some fun colors down here with the blues, and then these are clearly the star. Okay, so I went ahead and swatched them. This is definitely a different situation than I anticipated. So these are mostly pressed glitters. They're not metallic. So the turtlet color is this silver one here. The green is Aquaholic. The gold here is Champagne Beach, and the pink is Beach Days. Now, I did go ahead and swatch the metallic here, which is Buried Gold, but those are kind of more of a loose glitter than a metallic. I definitely did not get that impression from watching, you know, them do some eye looks on the Sephora website. So I am a little bummed in that sense of, I thought these were going to be pretty smooth pigmented metallics, but they're definitely pressed glitter. So I will give these a try, see how much fallout there is. I didn't really have a ton of fallout with swiping them. I think if there's a wet enough base, this should work out pretty well. I like the color story. It's definitely inspiring, and I love glitters, so I am still excited about this palette and love what it stands for. It's just not exactly what I was anticipating. So I will report back and let you know and try and do a tutorial look with this. So that's all I have for today. Thanks so much for tuning in with me to open up some goodies with me and see what I got. First impressions, I will definitely report back and let you know. But I hope all of you are staying safe and taking this time to just make yourself a better person and a better individual for yourself, for your families, for your friends, and for everyone else out there. So if you liked my video today, please give it a thumbs up or subscribe down below. If you ring the bell, you'll get notifications every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday when I post. And I so look forward to having you back on my channel and hope you had some fun watching this. So thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.